Fieldwire pricing isn't a flat monthly fee for a company, it's typically charged per user, which means a small crew can pay very differently than a larger construction team using the exact same software. By the end of this, you'll know how Fieldwire's pricing structure works, what changes between the free and paid versions, and how to decide which plan actually makes sense for your type of job site. Fieldwire is a construction field management app built around task tracking, plans, and job site coordination. The key thing to understand is that you're not paying for one account, you're paying for each person who needs access in the field or office. That structure is what drives the total monthly cost up as your team grows. The free option is usually used by very small teams or for testing. It gives access to basic task management and limited project tools, but it becomes restrictive once you start managing multiple jobs or need more serious coordination between office and field. Paid plans unlock the real workflow tools. That includes more advanced project controls, better document handling for plans and drawings, and stronger collaboration features so updates from the field show up instantly for the office. As you move into higher tiers, the focus shifts toward larger teams that need tighter control over multiple projects at once, not just a single job site. Where most contractors feel the pricing difference is scale. A solo contractor or a small crew can run comfortably on a lower tier because they're managing fewer people and fewer active projects. But once you start adding multiple crews, supervisors, or overlapping job sites, you're essentially multiplying the subscription cost because each user needs access. So the real question isn't whether Fieldwire is cheap or expensive. It's whether you're paying for coordination problems that already cost you time on the job. If missed updates, lost plans, or miscommunication between office and field are slowing projects down, the software is replacing that lost time with structured communication. If you don't have those problems yet, even the free version can feel like enough until your workload grows. To sum it up, Fieldwire pricing is user-based, not flat rate. The free plan covers basic job site tracking, paid plans unlock full project coordination tools, and your total cost depends mostly on how many people need access. A practical next step is to list your current team's size and how many people actually need field access. That single number usually tells you which plan tier you'll end up on. If this breakdown helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of construction software costs.